Among the many graduates celebrating today, Mutabaazi Elijah is a working professional who has successfully completed his master's degree while maintaining his job. This journey reflects the determination of many Ugandans who continue to pursue education despite the demanding work schedules, inspiring others to believe that it's never too late to further their studies. Mutabaazi Elijah, the 15th Guild President of the St. Lawrence University, is one of the students who were awarded in today's graduation. Elijah is excited for having graduated with a bachelor's degree in business administration, and he says his dream is to be a great man someday.
I don't come from a very good background. I was born alone, and my dad died when I was 2 weeks. So I felt upon me that I must be a great person in life. I don't accept to be a failure. And one of the keys, as the world says, to success, you need education.
He attained a bursary at St. Lawrence University to study his master's degree because of his humble nature.
I am in charge of social media and this office here. They just called me and said, come and be here, come and do something here. If I behaved otherwise, they wouldn't have welcomed me. So then, the resident director gave me an opportunity to study masters, absolutely free.
The young graduate says a master's is just the beginning, and he urges to pursue a PhD.
I am looking at doing a PhD okay? I'm looking at doing a PhD, and the only way you can do any PhD is when you have done MBA. If you do a master's in a different area, for example, journalism, you cannot do any PhD. You have to go only in that line.
The graduation ceremony was honored by the Vice President of the Republic of Uganda, who is also the Chancellor of the mighty St. Lawrence University, retired Major General Jessica Alupo, who praised the new education system for its positive impact on learners.
Competence-based education supported by artificial intelligence enables learners to acquire practical skills, entrepreneurial mindsets, and adaptive capabilities that are essential for job creation and sustainable development.
The ceremony brought together parents, university officials, and invited guests to celebrate the graduates' academic milestone. Reporting for Slough TV, Namagembe Rona.